Welcome to our video on commonly used business idioms. In this video, we will introduce you to some common idioms that are frequently used in the business world. Understanding these idioms will help you communicate more effectively with your colleagues and clients. Let's start with our first idiom, get the ball rolling. This means to initiate an action or start a process. For example, you could say, let's get the ball rolling on this project by scheduling a kickoff meeting. Our next idiom is think outside the box. This means to think creatively and come up with innovative solutions. For example, you could say, we need to think outside the box to come up with a marketing campaign that stands out from our competitors. The next idiom on our list is hit the ground running. This means to start a new job or project with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. For example, you could say, I'm excited to start my new job and hit the ground running. The next idiom is back to the drawing board. This means to start over or go back to the beginning. For example, you could say, we need to go back to the drawing board and come up with a new strategy. Our final idiom is get down to business. This means to start working on something seriously and with a sense of urgency. For example, you could say, let's get down to business and start discussing the details of the project. That's it for our video on commonly used business idioms. We hope that you found this video helpful and that you will be able to use these idioms in your own professional conversations.